Jasmine, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Okay, so today I'm going to be making a two-piece outfit from a huge ass dress that I thrifted. But yeah, and guys, this is not gonna be a tutorial because let's be honest, y'all ain't gonna be making it anyways. So this is just gonna be you guys watching me make this video, make this outfit. Alright, so this is the dress. I think I'm gonna do a before still to show you guys how huge this is. I really love the colors and the fact that it's striped, and I'm also going to be using two patterns that I made myself, a crop top pattern and a short pattern. So now let's get cutting. Okay guys, this is me trying to shoot the before, but tell me, why do I like it? Why do I like it like this? Bro. Okay guys, we are on the ground now because I need space to work and I'm trying to be transparent. It's very hard to film these videos on like a little square with the camera hanging over because it's uncomfortable as hell. So we on the ground like Rose. Woo! Alright, so what I want to do first is I want to seam rip everything. I just want to seam rip everything and then I'll just have some big planks of cloth to work with. So let's do that. Seam ripper or scissors? We'll see. Scissors. Can y'all see me? No. Alright, this is how I'll be talking to you guys. So I have the front piece, the back piece, and the two, what am I doing? Sleeves. So that's it. What I want to do is cut them short. With these, I'm just gonna try and fix them the best way to get them to look at the top. So, let's go. Alright. So wait, nobody never did that. Tell me something. I want my blouse back and front. Oh, some friends you are. Anyways, I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna do the shorts. I'm gonna cut out the waistband yet because me I wait for see too much cloth I have. So I'm gonna say it. Can y'all see the lines? I'm gonna cut them out now. Yeah, let's go. Tell me that you're stupid. Well, telling me that you're stupid. So I was supposed to cut them out opposite, right? So that they can match up right side to right side, the back can match up to the back, and the front can match up to the front. This little girl cut them out on the said part. So now I have one side, which is the correct side, and then the other side, because when we match them up, they're supposed to be right side to right side. Right? Wrong. This, a wrong side to right side. But you know what I care? Me. Canva that. Shots. Over there so. Okay. So this is the back, if you can see. I got it on the fold, so I need to cut this out. And this is the front, so this one need to cut out as well. And then I need to do the shoulders, and then I can start sewing together everything. And the shorts will disappoint me greatly, but it's fine. All of that. Okay, so I've just finished cutting out everything. This is for the blouse and this is for the shorts. So I have the two side pieces for the short and the waistband, and then this is the collar for the blouse, the two, what am something your name? Sleeve, the front and the back. So next I'll be sewing. I think I'm going to start with this since it's like 4 stitches probably. So I'm going to start with this and then do this last. I said I was going to start with the shorts, so now I'm just going to pin the correct parts together and then go over to the sewing machine and sew them. So let's get pinning essential. Okay, so for the shorts, the first part to sew would be this curve part on both sides, the front and the back. And now I'm gonna open up like right here where the curve ends for the both sides, and this will become the crotch area, like so. So that's the second part to sew. So that's what I'm gonna do now. You guys can see here now I have the shorts and a tube. Well, it's not fully a tube because I don't fold it and close it yet, for the waistband. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold this so it's wrong side to wrong side, as in the wrong side is inside the fold, and this becomes what's the waistband, right? I have a piece of elastic here as well, and then this. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the waistband good side to good side on the shorts and stitch all around. So like this, good side to good side, like that, and I'm gonna stitch all around. Bro, let's be honest, I've been talking way too much for someone who said this is not a tutorial. So I finished the shorts, I hemmed it also, and now we're gonna do the blouse. And essentially all we're gonna do is piece them together. Remember, this is not a tutorial. We're gonna piece them together right side to right side. I'm gonna sew this part first, then I'm gonna sew in the sleeve, then I'm gonna sew straight down, and then I'm gonna hem and put in the collar part. So you're gonna see me sewing. That's all that I'm gonna be doing. Then it's time for the before and after. Good.